Alright, day after. Nice and solid, much better. Now it's gonna flip. Okay, it is a couple days later. Anyway, as you see, Hovercraft is flipped over. I took off the front cowling, I guess you want to call it. It's up there. This is a Scat intruder. I believe this was the last year they made them. This is the pimped out version. I'm swapping out some gauges. I got a Faria GPS gauge because there was nothing there. I moved the volts up. The other two gauges that were here were the cylinder head temp and hour meter. I'll put the hour meter somewhere, but I got from Aircraft Spruce dual cylinder head and dual EGT gauges. So I'll put those in. Anyway, what I'm working on right now, I put new, I forgot what these are called. Not castle nuts. Anyway, the rubber nuts. From McMaster 1032s. What I used is some, I don't know where it's at. I always lose everything. Basically a polyurethane roofing sealant. It's PL Premium stuff again. Put all new ones in. Down there, I drilled out the rivets for the battery box. This small box is going to be the new battery box. I'll put a cutoff switch in there. The headache right now, so I found a source for all new engine mount bushings. Stainless steel, so they won't rust. This version of Scat has a 3/8 once. You can find some more. I'll throw them on eBay. Anyway, these are a huge pain in the butt. Let's see if I post a picture. Anyway, I had to cut the rubber off, and then using hammers and cold chisels and vice grips, grab the bottom. This is completely rusted. But of course, one broken bolt turns into a 3-day ordeal. This one snapped off. So now I'm going to spend the rest of my Saturday drilling this out. Hopefully not touching the nuts. Not the nuts, the threads. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be a pain. I really hate drilling out bolts. Yeah. So basically I'm going through and replacing all the regular hardware. Alright, that died. Yeah, basically I'm going through replacing all the hardware with new stainless. 3/8 there. These mounts down here were rivets. Now they are 3/8 bolts that I'll bolt on the bottom. Got to get some lock nuts. New cables, new control cable. Oops, just knocked over a box over here. These are the new bags from Hovercraft Depot. Quite nice and thick. These will be going on. I thought they were going on today, but yeah, because of that. Also from Hovercraft Depot, got all new throttle cables. I got new grips for the handlebars. A new finger throttle because that one's pretty corroded. I'm trying to figure out what all these switches are. No clue. New cutoff switches. Yeah, I have a new voltage regulator. I figured while everything is out, I might as well do all the maintenance upgrades I wanted. So yeah, hopefully drilling out this bolt doesn't take too long. I may have to go buy an easy out, and we all know how that goes. Alright, beer break. This is up to a 2-beer job so far.